Hey guys, today's video is about my reset routine. So this is what I usually do on a Sunday morning to reset myself from everything that happened the week before and to prepare myself for the next week. Before I really start doing my reset tasks, I will physically and mentally warm myself up to them. So the first thing I usually do on a Sunday morning is I go for a run since I'm in cross country and track, so I need to do a recovery run on Sundays. Then after that, I have breakfast and I take a shower. And altogether, this helps me feel more awake and energized and also less stressed. Sorry, I'm kind of sick, but we're gonna power through this. The first thing I do is I clean up my physical space, starting by putting everything away where it's supposed to go. For example, I'll unpack my meat bag since I usually have a meet on Saturdays. Also, I empty out my school backpack so I can find any garbage or things that aren't where they're supposed to be. Next, I wipe down my desk, I dust my shelves, and generally clean off all of the physical surfaces in my room. Also, I empty the trash and recycling bins that are in my room. And lastly, I also help my family clean up some shared spaces in the room like the bathroom or the kitchen. After cleaning up physically, I clean up my digital space. First, I delete any unnecessary files from my phone and laptop. Usually this includes going through the downloads folder of my laptop and the camera roll of my phone. Besides just deleting things, I also upload some things from my laptop or phone onto Google Drive so I can clear up some space. Another thing I do is I check my emails, and when I do that, as soon as I read something, I either delete it if I know I'll never need to look at it again, or I archive it in case I might need to go back to reference it. If I keep getting emails from an organization and I really don't want them, then I'll just unsubscribe from their email list so I don't have to worry about receiving their annoying emails ever again. My third step is to check off all of those nagging smaller tasks that have been hanging on to my to-do list throughout the week that I just haven't taken care of yet. Usually this might be something like a smaller homework assignment that I just haven't bothered to do yet, or filling out a form, or other smaller tasks that can be done at pretty much any time, I just haven't chosen a time to do them. So this reset day is that time. The next step after that for me is to reflect on my goals and journal for the week. If you watch my Plan With Me videos, you've probably seen my 9 for 2019 reflection setups and my journaling setups. Basically, for 2019, I made myself 9 goals, and each month I choose 3 or 4 of them to focus on. And in my bullet journal, each Sunday I write down how I've worked to accomplish that goal this week and any changes I can make moving forward to improve my ability to reach that goal. And the journaling half of this is pretty simple. I just spew out whatever's on my mind or any memories from the week that I really want to capture. And the last part of this routine is to plan for the next week. I do daily to-do lists in my bullet journal, so I'll just migrate all of my leftover tasks from Sunday over to a Monday to-do list. Also, I'll check back to my monthly setups where I record any tasks that need to be done for the entire week or any other events that are happening. I don't really have a weekly planner setup, but I like to check up on that so I'm aware of the events that are happening, and for any tasks that are scheduled to take that whole week, I'll write them in to my first daily setup for that week. And that's everything. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any other tips, be sure to leave them in the comments. I upload new videos every Monday, and my Tumblr and Instagram are both at studyquill. See you next time!